Hi, I'm Art Redner, and I'm here with GeneralAire today to show you how to change the air filter in your DH70 or 95 dehumidifier. So, first thing we have to do is remove the filter access door. To do this, you are going to need a flathead screwdriver or a 5/16 nut driver. And the door should pop off. We can remove our old filter and grab our new one for installation. Before we put it in, we need to note the airflow indicator. The arrows should be pointing down the unit. Slide it in and replace the cover. With the cover replaced, the filter change is done. We recommend you change the MERV 11 filter every 6 months. Again, I'm Art Redner with GeneralAire, reminding you to breathe healthier. See you next time.